Hello and welcome back to New English Stories Book, the podcast that helps you speak English with more confidence and joy. I'm Tom, and today I want to take you on a little journey, a journey that's not just about learning English, but also about discovering your own power, your own rhythm, and your own voice in English. This episode is very close to my heart because it's about something that many learners forget. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. So let's breathe, relax, and enjoy this moment together. I'll speak slowly, clearly, and simply so you can understand and repeat after me if you'd like. Let me start with a short story. There was a woman named Amina. She lived in a small village in a country where English was not spoken at all. She didn't go to an English school. She didn't have money for courses. She didn't know any native speakers. But she had one thing, a strong desire to learn. Every morning, she would wake up, sit near her window, and listen to short English podcasts. She didn't understand everything. Sometimes she felt confused. Sometimes she felt slow. But she didn't stop. She listened again and again. She repeated the words softly. She wrote simple sentences in her notebook. She even spoke to herself in English while cooking or walking. 1 year later, Amina gave a small speech at a local event in English. People were surprised. "How did you learn?" they asked. She smiled and said, "One small step. Every day." That's the secret. That's the power of slow, steady learning. You see, learning English is not about speed. It's not about knowing big grammar words. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up a little bit every day. So today, I want to share 4 powerful habits that you can start using right now. They are simple. They are practical. And they will help you speak English more naturally, more confidently, and more joyfully. Habit number 1, listen like water. Yes, like water. Water is soft, but strong. It moves around rocks. It flows every day. Your listening should be like that. Don't worry about understanding every word. Just listen. Let the sounds of English enter your ears and your mind. You can listen to English while walking, cleaning, relaxing, or even falling asleep. Podcasts, songs, stories, news, anything. Even if you don't understand much at first, your brain is learning. It's catching patterns. It's absorbing rhythm. And soon, things will start to click. So listen daily. Let English be the music of your day. Habit number 2, speak without fear. This one is hard, I know. Many people feel shy when they speak. Maybe you are afraid of making mistakes. Maybe you think your accent is not good. But let me tell you a secret, mistakes are part of learning. Every child makes mistakes when they learn their first language. Adults too. Speaking is like dancing. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to move. You can practice shadowing, repeat after podcasts or videos. You can speak to yourself in the mirror. You can record short voice messages. Just 1 minute a day. Say anything about your day, your plans, your feelings. And over time, you'll find your voice growing stronger, more natural. Habit number 3, write your life. Writing is thinking in slow motion. And when you write in English, you train your brain to think in English. You don't need to write essays. Just 3 short sentences every night. For example, today was a sunny day. I walked to the market. I bought some fruit. That's enough. It's simple, but it's real. You're using your life to build language. You can use a notebook, a notes app, or even a message to a friend. The key is consistency. Keep writing, and soon you'll see how much your English is growing. Habit number 4, live with English. What do I mean? I mean, make English part of your world. Change your phone settings to English. Follow English learners and creators online. Read labels, menus, and signs in English when you can. Watch short videos, even funny ones. Repeat the phrases. Try to copy the voice. And most importantly, don't keep English in a box. Don't treat it like a school subject. Let it be part of your morning coffee, your evening walk, your weekend rest. Make English a friend, not a task. The more you live with English, the more natural it becomes. Now let's take a deep breath together. Inhale. Exhale. Learning a new language can be a long road. But it's also a beautiful one. You are not behind. You are not slow. You are exactly where you need to be. Every small effort counts. Every 5 minutes you listen, every sentence you write, every word you speak, it's all part of your journey. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. And I'm here with you, step by step, day by day. So my challenge for you today is this: choose just one habit and begin. Maybe tonight you write 3 sentences. Maybe tomorrow morning you listen to this podcast again and try shadowing. Maybe you send one message to a friend in English. Whatever it is, just start. Your future fluent self is already thanking you. Thank you for spending this time with me. Remember, you are learning, you are growing, and you are doing great. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next episode of New English Stories Book.